Hi, this dance is called Komando Mapopo, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on January 2023. There are 32 count, 4 walls, improver level line dance. There is 32 intro and there is no take, no restart. Okay, let's start with the section 1. Section 1. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, lock shuffle forward, rock forward, recover, and then coaster step. Step back, close together, step forward. Section 2, side, cross touch, side sashay to left, and then cross behind, recover side, half unwind to left, weight on left foot. Section 3, rock forward, recover, lock shuffle back, and then side, touch, quarter turn to left, close together, side touch, close touch. Section 4, skate, lock shuffle diagonally forward, and then half unwind to right, and then walk. Let me repeat with a count. Section 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can enjoy the music, you like the choreo, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.